I have 3 crepe myrtles that need to be taken out. Any idea how to remove them without using toxic stuff? I will be planting edibles in their places and don't want to use toxic chemicals. This is from Laura via YouTube. So she wants to take them out, but she does not want to use chemicals, which I commend you for.
Yes, that's great.
You can do that. It will be a lot of work, don't you think?
Work. Oh yeah.
Right?
Depending on how big they are, because
yes,
crepe myrtles can be 30 feet tall and small trees. But you're going to have to cut them down somehow, either piece by piece or get somebody to cut them down for you. But then you're going to have to dig up the roots because you got all that carbohydrate reserves in the root system. And it's going to start coming, wanting to live and come back
up everywhere. Right.
And so if you dig out all the root system, then they won't do that. But that's going to be a lot of work. It's not, you know, it's not easy to do.
Because it's going to try to resprout.
It is.
Yeah, if you don't get all those roots
crepe
out.
myrtles do very well here, and they really want to live. So it's going to try.
Beautiful
but you
plants.
can keep up after it.
Right,
if you can just keep up after it, eventually you'll get rid of all the carbohydrate reserves in that root system that's left in there, and you won't have crepe myrtle anymore.
Right. But it's going to be a lot of work.
It's going to be work.
Yeah, doing that, you're probably, you know, rid yourself of a lot of carbohydrates. You know, trying to dig it out for the most part.
You'll be very healthy afterwards.
No doubt about that. Anything you want to add to that, Mary?
Yeah, we just removed a crepe myrtle from our house.
Here we go.
Yeah, no chemicals, but it was a lot of work.
Here we go.
We did dig out the whole root, but still fighting a couple ones popping up in the vicinity of that. But stay diligent, and you can do it.
Stay diligent. You can do it.
Be persistent.
Be persistent. Or, Miss Laura, you call Mary and she can help you out. All right? So how about that? She's done it. All right? Be persistent. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.